Hey Pro Bono crew, it's Claire Desira here and I'm back with another mindset hack to support your week. Today I wanted to share a really simple, powerful tool that I'm using myself and finding really effective to support me to change a habit. It's a bit more than a habit, let's be honest, it's a little addiction. So like almost the rest of the population, I've developed a little bit of addiction to my phone. I love picking it up at all times of the day. Now, why I'm so addicted to this and why I get this reward is, for me personally, it's not about social media or gaming. For me, it's actually about diving into my inbox and seeing what's come in. I love the work that I do. I run a training organisation which supports people like you in generous and change-making careers to be more resilient and have stronger leadership skills and to support you and your teams through change. And it's really rewarding and exciting work. And every single day, new opportunities and landing in our inbox. And so for me, picking up the phone means I'm getting to check what's come up next or to learn about a new group of people that we're going to be working with and supporting. So you can see that I love this work on one hand, and this I'm being rewarded with this habit with new opportunities. So what I'm doing is I'm actually using a little jar and a little pad of mini post-it notes, and you can use anything you like. You could use just normal post-it notes or bits of paper if you wanted to try this out. But what I'm doing is every time I go to pick up my phone but I don't, I set a timer or pay attention to the time, and if it passes 5 minutes, then what I do to recognize that I am changing that habit and I haven't just picked up my phone, I make a little note on my post-it note that just says something like, Tuesday, went to check my emails and didn't open them. And I pop that post-it note into a jar. And I'm calling this my focus jar or distraction jar, whichever works. It's really the same thing. What I'm doing is I'm recognizing those little micro decisions that I'm making every single day, which is where the magic happens in behavior change. It's not the big stuff that changes habits, it's all of those little micro decisions. And this habit is a way for me to recognize when I'm making change, give my brain a little reward, because surprisingly or not, even though it's sticking a piece of paper in a jar, being able to do that gives your brain a reward. And I'm also, what I'm doing is, so I'm seeing the progress of those micro decisions, but I'm also able to keep in perspective when I've had a bad day and I maybe just check my phone willy-nilly without even thinking about it. I know then that I'm not so hard on myself that I think, well, I've had a bad day today, I might as well have not be bothered with this habit at all, or I'm not even making progress and I'm gonna have this bad habit for the rest of my life. The jar actually helps me center back in and breathe and go, well, actually, no, I am making great progress, even if I haven't had an ideal day today. Now, you can use the same thing for any goals you're working towards. It might be around cravings that you have for food. You might think, oh, I really would love to smash a block of chocolate now, and maybe you wait that out. So you set a timer and you wait that out for 5 or 10 minutes, and once you've done that, you give yourself a little reward. You write on the piece of paper, I didn't have that block of chocolate, or I had 2 pieces and that was it. You could do the same thing, of course, for your job search, which I know is something as well that we can easily put off. But again, it's not one of those big projects that we need to take on. It's the small things that matter, those small actions where we may take the time to research a job or a project rather than watch that next episode on Netflix. So just a few examples you could use this jar. You could use it for all of those things at once if you want to, but I really encourage you to pick a micro habit, a micro behavior, or a real focus and try it out. Reward your brain, get your jar going and see how you go. I hope you found this helpful. I'd love to see what you do with this. Take some photos of your jars, send them through to me. Let me know what you've tried, what hasn't worked, and I'll be so happy to support in any way that I can that works. Have a great week. Enjoy those little micro decisions, and we'll be back again soon.